Prairie Street Prime Culinary Kitchen is your premium kosher meat experience. Join us as we demystify every aspect of high-end kosher cooking with weekly recipes, tips, and tutorials, so you too can make delicious 5-star meals from the comfort of your own kitchen. We cover a wide array of cooking methods, from smoker to barbecue grill, sous vide, instant pot to cast iron pan, and much, much more. We've got you covered in all methods of cooking. With our tips, tricks, and fun facts, you'll learn all there is to know about kosher cooking from our talented and skillful guest chefs. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be the first to see our weekly cooking videos. And coming this summer, Hebrew and French versions. See you next week. Please click the subscribe and notification bell to stay abreast of all of our new videos.